Before this video starts, I had to make a new intro because I accidentally deleted my other one, and this one probably has to do for now, and it actually turned out better than I thought, and I still hope you enjoy the video. Hey guys, welcome back to Sky Guy TV, and today I'm joined by this weird fish.
It's me, LegoLoiugi, Bob.
I know. And today we're doing this.
We shall be Anvil spleefing.
If you don't know what that is, we have flame bows, which we shoot up at the TNT, and anvils fall, and whoever survives wins. So we're gonna be doing a best of 5.
Let's go show your viewers.
Yeah.
Up here.
Yep. We're gonna be.
Hard.
Yeah.
Stone arena.
Yep.
Stone arena.
Yeah.
TNT explodes obviously off.
As you
You
can
shoot
see.
an arrow, the arrows come flying down. Even one anvil hits you, it's high enough that you're one shot. Be careful.
Yeah, and like I said a couple times when Lego spoke over me, we're gonna be doing a best of 5. So the first one to get 3 wins.
We're not allowed to attack each other though.
Yes.
We attack each other with our bows.
Okay, let's get. How about we start over here? You ready to start? Get over there. Okay, 3,
Countdown.
2, 1, spleef! Oh.
Bang. That's gonna hurt. Oh.
Yes, I take game 1.
Rip.
I take game
you
1.
might cut ahead if we're done, but rip.
Yes, I take game 1. Yeah, it's a fast-paced game. I'm gonna see you guys in round 2. Back for round 2. I took that first dub, and I'm kind of happy. I squashed you, literally. Okay, you ready? 3, 2. Yep. 3, 2, 1. Spleef.
Nah. Ain't nobody got come back. Suicide. I'm going to make it come back.
Oh.
Even if it's the death of me. Come back.
Oh no, GG. No. Crap.
I need to come back.
Lego takes round 2. It's tied 1-1, and I'm gonna see you guys in round 3. Back to round 3. I took a big L that one, but it's tied 1-1.
Yeah, I took the W.
Yeah. Okay, let's start going. 3, 2, 1. Cheese and beef. Cheese and beef isn't good for me. Yeah. So if you're playing this game, never say cheese and beef. If you do, you get squashed instantly. I'm gonna see you guys in new ammo round 4. Back for round 4, and I took a big L from cheese and beef. Okay, just to let you know, don't eat cheese and beef. Okay, so it's 2-1. If Lego wins this one, Lego is the squid of all squids, and the champion of the spleef. Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Cheese and beef. Oh, that was scary. That was close. Ah. Oh. Sorry if I moved the camera. I'm just. Yes. Big dub. We're going into round 5, guys. Get out creative, you cheat. And we're gonna see you guys. Sorry about that. The camera fell, but I'm gonna see you guys in round 5. Hi guys, we're back for round 5, and if you're wondering what this is, like, Skylar, what's this behind me? I mean, what's that behind you or whatever? I make mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes, okay? Don't judge me! Winner takes this beautiful trophy. Oh, say girl, you see.
Before we can see who wins. And if you're getting it right,
Sorry about that cringy singing. I suck at life. Okay, let me head inside for the round. New ambo. What is this?
my bow is half ripped.
What is
Can you
this?
delete that stuff?
I'm in survival, so I can't. Okay. Okay, are you ready for round 5? 3, 2, 1. Beef and cheese.
I'm gonna be taking this up with you.
No, I'm gonna be taking the dub.
Oh, this is too hard. This is scary. This is so scary. This is stupid. I'm so daddy. Oh, no. You're really into that.
Let's go!
No.
Yes!
No.
Round 5
Okay.
goes to me! Your winner of the 2018 Skylar Jackson! Don't judge my last name!
Nice going.
Yeah, it's actually a really good game. GG.
You did well.
Yeah, you did actually really good too.
I walked into my own shot.
Oh yes, you did. But yeah.
I was a nub. I tried to chase you and I walked into my own shot.
Your 2018 winner, like I said again, of the Anvil's Cup, Skylar! That was it for the 2018 Anvil Spleef World Cup. As you said twice, I won. And if you want to see more of this, like yearly or monthly or whatever, comment down below. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more. This is Sky Guy TV signing off. Peace!